Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laurensia Sekar Ayu, and here I want to present a term that is used both in export and import. The first one is term that is used in export. Appendix CITS is the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Fauna and Flora. It is an international agreement designed to regulate and monitor the trade of endangered and protected species. Sentence example is, there are some species that are protected under Appendix CITS. Next one is B3 waste. B3 waste fall under the code B3 in European Waste Catalog, which is defined as a hazardous waste that poses specific risk to human health or the environment. For example, B3 waste includes certain types of solvent, petroleum products, paint thinner, and other flammable liquid waste. The next is harmonized system. It's a standardized numerical system used to classify and identify products for custom purpose. The example is, it is essential to correctly identify the harmonized system codes for accurate custom classification and determination of applicable duties and tariff. Next one is INSW portal. It is a system that will integrate information related to the process of handling custom documents and releasing goods. For the sentence example is, INSW portal was carried out by the National Single Windows Preparatory Team. Next one is mixed goods. It is a goods consisting of different material or made of different characteristics. An example is, the shipment contained a variety of mixed goods that require careful handling and accurate custom documentation. Next one is composition of goods. It is a goods that are composed of multiple components or parts sourced from different location or supplier. An example is, the company specialized in exporting compositional goods which are assembled using components sourced from different countries. The next one is section notes. It is a specific explanatory information that accompanies section or chapter within a trade tariff or custom classification system. The second example is, according to the section notes of chapter 4 in the custom tariff, fresh fruits and vegetables are classified based on their specific characteristic. The next one is term that is used in import. The first one is tariff. It is a tax imposed on goods, usually based on their value or quantity by the importing country. The second example is, a major development encouraging trades between the advanced countries was tariff cuts. Next one is BTKI. It is a Buku Tarif Kepabianan Indonesia or Indonesian Custom Tariff Books. It is a book that contains tariff classification and rates. The second example is, HS code in BTKI contains 21 sections of duties and taxes statistics. The next one is term that is both used in export and import. The first one is commercial invoice. It is a document used in international trade transactions to provide details about the goods being shipped from the seller to the buyer. It's for custom purpose and facilitates the payment and clearance process. The example is, the commercial invoice issued by the seller to provide the buyer with all the necessary information. The next one is PEB or Pemberitahuan Ekspor Barang. It is a customs notification used to notify the export of goods in a written form on electronic forms for data. The second example is, PEB needs to submit at the port to provide details about the goods that are bound for export. Next one is UN or EDIFACT. It is the United Nations Rules for Electronic Data Interchange for Administration, Commerce, and Transport. It's a set of internationally agreed standards, territories, and guidelines for the electronic interchange of structured data with an independent computerized information system. The sentence example is, EDIFACT is accepted as the international EDI standard that has been adopted by organization. The next one is custom clearance. It is a necessary procedure in permitting goods that are transported to a country through an authorized custom broker. The second example is, the custom clearance after completed second party is responsible for conveying goods safely to the warehouse. The next one is Custom Service Management Entrepreneurs or PPGK, Pengusaha Pengurusan Jasa Kepabianan. It is a business entity that carries out management activities to fulfill custom obligation for and with the authority of importer or exporter. The second example is PPGK, applies in all custom offices in Indonesia. That's it from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.